In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add anchor link in HubSpot. Anchor links let your visitors jump straight to a specific section of a page, which is perfect for long content like FAQs, product details, or page sections you want to highlight. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type HubSpot, then open the official HubSpot website and sign in to your account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and hover your mouse to reveal the navigation. Find the section labeled Content. This is where you'll access your website tools. Next, click Website Pages. You'll see a list of the pages on your site. Choose the page you want to work on by clicking it to open the editor. Give the editor a moment to load. You'll be working in the drag and drop interface. At the top left of the editor, click the plus icon to open the module library. In the search bar or list, look for the Anchor module. Click and drag the anchor onto your page, placing it exactly where you want visitors to land when they use the link. A good practice is to drop it just above a section header, so the title is clearly visible after the jump. Now give your anchor a name. Keep it short, unique, and easy to remember. Use lowercase letters, avoid spaces, and stick to hyphens or underscores if you need separators. For example, pricing, FAQ section, or contact top. This name becomes the target you'll reference when linking later. With the anchor in place, refresh your preview to confirm it's recognized. Click the prompt that says, "Click here to see updates." The preview will reload so you can verify the anchor's position visually. If it lands a little too high or low, just drag the anchor slightly and refresh again until it feels right. You can also add styles to your anchor. Depending on your theme or module settings, you might adjust spacing to account for sticky headers, add a custom CSS class, or fine-tune alignment so the section looks clean when someone jumps to it. Subtle spacing adjustments often improve the user experience, especially if a fixed header overlaps content. That's it. Your anchor is set. From here, you'll be able to link to it from anywhere on the page or site by pointing a link to the anchor's name, ensuring visitors can reach the exact spot you intended. Review your changes in the preview to make sure everything behaves as expected, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, and happy building in HubSpot.